Did you know that after the age of 60, your body produces up to 75% less collagen than it did in your younger years? This silent decline is more than just a number. It could be the hidden reason behind your stiff joints, swelling in your legs, or even that frustrating tingling sensation at night. Collagen is like the glue that keeps your joints smooth and your tissues strong. When it runs low, your body struggles to keep up. That's when circulation slows down, swelling shows up, and the simple act of climbing stairs or standing for long periods starts to feel heavier than it used to. Many seniors think this is just getting old, but in truth, it's often the body crying out for more collagen. But here's the hopeful part. You don't need expensive treatments. Everyday foods, simple ones you probably already enjoy, can actually help your body rebuild collagen naturally. And in just a moment, I'll share the first food that works wonders. Have you noticed swelling or stiffness in your legs lately? Drop a yes in the comments. I'd love to know if this sounds familiar. Number one, egg yolks. Most people think of eggs as just a protein food, but the truth is, the yolk is where the real magic happens. Inside that golden center is a collagen-building powerhouse that many people overlook. You see, egg yolks are packed with glycine and proline, two special amino acids your body needs to actually make collagen. Without them, your body can't repair the cushion in your joints or maintain that smooth, pain-free movement. That's why people who include whole eggs, not just the whites, often notice less stiffness when getting up in the morning or after sitting for a while. Think of it this way. Every time you enjoy a boiled egg or a simple omelet, you're giving your body the raw materials it needs to fight back against swelling, improve circulation, and keep your joints flexible. And for seniors, that can mean the difference between struggling with every step and moving with confidence. But here's the exciting part. We're just getting started. Because while eggs are amazing, wait until you hear what the next tropical fruit can do for your collagen. It's surprising and delicious. Do you still eat eggs regularly, or did you cut them out? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Number two, papaya. This sweet tropical fruit hides a secret enzyme your joints absolutely love. Papaya. It may look like just another colorful fruit on the outside, but inside it holds a powerful compound called papain. This special enzyme helps your body break down protein more effectively, which means your system can actually use those building blocks to create fresh collagen. And there's more. Papaya is also packed with vitamin C, one of the key nutrients your body needs to spark natural collagen production. Without enough vitamin C, collagen fibers can't form properly, leaving joints weaker and skin less firm. By adding papaya to your diet, even just a few slices with breakfast, you're giving your body both the enzyme and the vitamin boost it craves to ease stiffness, reduce swelling, and improve circulation. Imagine sitting down to a sweet, refreshing papaya bowl in the morning, knowing it's not just tasty, but actively helping your knees, ankles, and hips feel stronger. That's the kind of small, simple change that brings real relief over time. But here's the thing. Papaya isn't the strongest source of collagen support. The next one might surprise you because it's not even a fruit. Yet chances are you've eaten it before without realizing how powerful it really is. Number three, chicken skin. Here's a food most people throw away without a second thought, but it's actually one of nature's richest collagen sources, chicken skin. Surprising, right? For years, many of us have been peeling it off and tossing it aside, thinking it's just extra fat. But hidden inside that crispy layer is type 1 collagen, the very same type your body uses to strengthen skin, bones, and joints. Type 1 collagen is like the scaffolding that keeps everything firm and supported. When you enjoy chicken skin in moderation, whether it's roasted, grilled, or simmered in a soup, you're giving your body the raw material it needs to reduce joint discomfort, improve mobility, and even support skin elasticity. Think of it as a natural way to smooth out stiffness and add back a bit of that youthful resilience. Of course, balance is key. You don't need to eat it in large amounts to benefit. A little goes a long way, especially when it's part of an overall healthy diet. But here's where it gets even more interesting. If chicken skin surprised you, just wait until you hear about the tiny fish that deliver a massive collagen punch. Be honest, do you usually eat the chicken skin or do you peel it off? Comment below, I'd love to know. Number 4, sardines. Tiny but mighty, sardines may be one of the most underrated collagen foods out there. At first glance, they just look like small fish in a can, but don't let their size fool you. Sardines are packed with skin, bones, and connective tissue, and that's exactly where collagen lives in abundance. When you eat sardines whole, you're not just getting a boost of protein and omega-3 fats, you're also supplying your body with natural collagen that supports circulation, strengthens joints, and reduces that heavy swelling feeling in the legs. Seniors who add sardines to their meals often notice improved mobility and less stiffness, especially in the ankles and knees where swelling tends to show up most. And here's a bonus. Because sardines are eaten with the bones, you also get a healthy dose of calcium, which works hand in hand with collagen to keep your bones and joints resilient. A simple sardine salad on whole grain toast or even straight from the can can become a surprisingly powerful joint strengthening meal. But here's the twist. Even sardines don't compare to the final food on our list. That last one is the true game changer when it comes to rebuilding collagen and protecting your joints. You'll want to hear this. Number 5, bone broth. This ancient remedy may just be the ultimate collagen booster. Bone broth. For centuries, people have simmered bones slowly to unlock their nutrients, and modern science now confirms why it works so well. Inside bone broth, you'll find type 1 and type 2 collagen, plus amino acids like glycine and proline, and even hyaluronic acid, all of which your joints and tissues absolutely thrive on. When you sip a warm cup of bone broth, you're giving your body the exact building blocks it needs to repair worn-down cartilage, reduce inflammation, and hydrate tissues from the inside out. Many seniors notice that adding broth to their daily routine not only eases stiffness, but also improves skin elasticity and overall mobility. It's like giving your joints a soothing bath, only from within. And the best part? Bone broth is simple. You can make it at home with leftover chicken or beef bones, or pick up high-quality versions at the store. Add it to soups, sip it warm, or even use it as a base for cooking grains. Bone broth may be the strongest natural collagen source, but here's the real secret. How you use it daily makes all the difference, and that's exactly what we'll explore next. Conclusion. So, to fight off swelling, stiffness, and keep your joints strong after 60, focus on collagen-rich foods like egg yolks, papaya, chicken skin, sardines, and of course, bone broth. Each one gives your body the raw materials it needs to move with less pain and more freedom. Remember, your body may slow down with age, but with the right nutrition, you can stay active, independent, and pain-free for years to come. Which of these collagen foods do you already eat? Comment below. I'd love to hear. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs stronger joints. And stay tuned. My next video dives into even more natural ways to protect your health.